friends, today I've got a super cute video for you, perfect for fall and Halloween. We're going to be going through about 4 different recipes, and one of them being a charcuterie board. The first thing that I'm going to be showing you are these chocolate chip sugar cookies. Super easy. You just buy pre-made chocolate chip cookies along with the pre-made sugar cookies with the little prints on them. You just put the pumpkin one on top of the chocolate chip and bake it in the oven. Okay, so for this brownie recipe, I'm going to tell you what the ingredients are, but I'm going to put the actual measurements in the description box. So you'll need melted butter, cooking oil, white sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Just so you know, since we're a big family, I doubled this recipe, but I will put the regular measurements in the description box for you. Okay, first you want to put that hot melted butter, oil, and sugar all together and whisk it. And then you're going to whisk it really good for about a minute or so. And then you'll add in your eggs and the vanilla. You'll keep beating until it's lighter in color. And then you'll mix in that flour and the cocoa powder and salt. Mix those together first. That's why I put it in that little bowl. And then you kind of fold it into your wet mixture. Your oven should be set on 350, and you're going to bake it for anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. I believe I baked mine for about 23 minutes. Just so you know, I realized after the fact, now don't get me wrong, I love a good fudgy brownie, but for what I was trying to accomplish, it was a little bit too fudgy in regards to like holding its shape, because I was trying to make a book. All right, so we're moving on to the most delicious, fluffiest chocolate frosting. Now, I was kind of upset with myself because I didn't end up using the frosting, not on the brownies, because I realized after the fact, of course, that I wasn't going to be able to get the look of the book that I was wanting had I used it. So I didn't end up using it for that, but yeah, so basically you just, you're going to cream the butter, and then you're going to add in your powdered sugar, your cocoa powder, your vanilla. It does call for some coffee. I ended up having that coffee because I did not want to caffeinate the kids. So I ended up putting that measurement in half. And then anytime I make frosting, I always use, in place of like milk or regular like heavy cream, I always use coffee creamer because it gives it extra flavor. Okay, so now time for the pumpkin pie dip. This was another super easy recipe, only 4 ingredients. So you start off by creaming up the block of cream cheese, and then you're going to add in the pumpkin pie mix. And make sure you get the pumpkin pie mix, not just the pumpkin puree. The pumpkin pie mix already has like sugar and seasonings and all of that in there. And then you're going to add in some caramel, and then you're going to, like the last step is to fold in the Cool Whip. After you're done with that, you're going to, put it in a bowl and then put it in the refrigerator. I believe I covered this for about 30 or so minutes. I did drizzle more caramel on top of that before I put it in there. And then lastly, we just add like some cute little festive sprinkles. I got the sprinkle container from Walmart. So this was the interesting and the fun part, trying to create the face for book and all of that with this little black icing. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, honestly, but it was super fun. Obviously, none of them are perfect or anything, but that's okay. They still tasted amazing. A little fun fact about me, Hocus Pocus has always been my favorite movie. And so this particular day, we were having an actual Hocus Pocus 2 watch party. And it was just my kids and husband, but yeah, I definitely had to do it up big. All right, and we finally get to the dessert board. This was super fun to create. I love like making little dessert boards or charcuterie boards, for parties and stuff like that. So basically, all of these items that I'm putting on here came from Aldi, with the exception of those little mini pumpkin cupcakes. Those came from Target. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you make any of these recipes. You can tag me over on Instagram. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. I have quite a few more recipes to share with you guys. So stay tuned.